Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your Chrysler Town and Country. First, make sure your vehicle is parked safely. Then, enable Bluetooth on your phone and ensure it's discoverable. We'll navigate through the Uconnect system to find the phone pairing options. This process is straightforward and will allow you to enjoy hands-free communication and media streaming in your vehicle. Once you're in the Uconnect system, tap the phone button on the touchscreen. From there, you'll see an option to pair device or add device. Select this to begin the pairing sequence. Your Uconnect system will then search for available Bluetooth devices. Be ready to confirm the pairing request that appears on both your phone and the vehicle's screen. After selecting your phone from the list, a 6-digit PIN will appear on both your phone and the Uconnect screen. It's crucial to verify that these numbers match exactly before proceeding. Once confirmed, accept the pairing request on both devices. You should then see a confirmation message on your Uconnect display, indicating your phone is successfully connected and ready for use. With your phone now connected, you can enjoy several features. You can make and receive calls hands-free, enhancing your safety on the road. Additionally, you can stream audio, such as music or podcasts, directly from your phone to the vehicle's speakers. Your phone's contacts will also be accessible through the Uconnect system, making communications seamless and convenient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.